Recently, I took my bicycle for a ride. First in a train to Tilburg, and from there via the former railway line Bels Lijntje that was transformed into a cycle path, all the way to the Belgian border. The non-mandatory cycle path through the woods and fields attracts all sorts of riders, commuters, racers and recreational riders. Many remnants of the old railway are still there. Signs, a lever in the middle of the wood, the distance marked on a piece of rail, and buildings that are obviously railway related, especially with such a reference in front of it. New references and old remnants are everywhere. That plate train is obviously no coincidence. The cycle route is mostly used for recreation. That means there is no priority on the few crossings with other roads. Entire families can cycle here, away from traffic. The route is safe enough to use for all types of riders. Also on special bicycles. And did you notice? The route crosses the Dutch-Belgian border 8 times when it takes you through the enclaves of the town with 2 names, Baarle-Nassau and Baarle-Hertog. One town with a Belgian town hall and a Dutch one. Fortunately, the borders are marked. There's not much else to indicate that you cross an international border often. Although to the trained eye, the houses in the Belgian enclaves do look slightly different. From the town, it is another 2 kilometers to the actual border. While you cycle through the wood to get there, you traverse yet another Belgian enclave. After crossing the border so many times, the actual border between the Netherlands and Belgium is just an unimpressive double line on the path. That you can cycle for 25 kilometers in an almost straight line through the wonderful countryside is much more impressive and attractive.